Welcome to Thanh SP Sew and Factory. Thanh SP is a family-owned company based in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, and we've been in business for almost 32 years now. We provide full package of cut and sew knitwear with FOB, CIF, and DDP term. Although we are a garment factory, but we also produce about 50 tons of fabric in-house every month to use for our garment orders. Our capacity is 250,000 pieces per month. We are SA 8000 and BSCI certified. At Tyson, we provide from patterns, tag packs, sampling, 3D fitting, bulk production, and also carrying the shipments to the customers. Our products are qualified with certificate of origin from CPTPP, EV, UKV, EAEU, and these certificates can help the customers to solve the import duty. We are proud to have the good merchandising teams who are very proactive and communicative. Besides, we also have a factory that always cares to provide good quality products. We've been working in long term with diversified customers from US, Canada, Russia, UK, and Australia. So now we would like to show you some of our products. Please take a few minutes for watching. This is the first part. These garments are made of mercerized cotton and organic cotton. The first 4 t-shirts from the right are from mercerized cotton. Mercerized cotton has pretty clean surface, which is good for making garments with prints. The others here are from organic cotton, which can get us to the sustainability goals. For all kinds of cotton, we can make piece dye, yarn dye, tie dye, and garment dye with minimum 1,500 t-shirts per fabric color. And if you want to add graphic to your t-shirts, the minimum is 500 pieces per artwork. The next group is merino wool. Australian merino wool has been in market for a long time and still been the best quality so far. It is antibacterial and self-adjusted to weather. It can be knitted to lightweight fabric for underwear, t-shirts, or can be heavier weight for winter jackets. Minimum for garment from merino wool is 1,000 pieces per color. The next are some styles for loungewear, sleepwear, and yoga wear. The material is blended fabric from bamboo viscose organic cotton. This fabric is ecological friendly. Or we also can make these styles out of model spandex. Both fabrics have very nice hand feel. Minimum quantity is 1,000 pieces per color and 3,000 pieces per order. The customers can combine different styles using the same colors to meet the required minimum. Coming here is sportswear. We do 2.6 million pieces per year for different brands such as Fila, Kappa, CK, Northern, Volco. We have 52 flat lock machines for making flat seams at some specific areas in each garment. We can make all kinds of sportswear for all genders such as t-shirts, jackets, bra top, leggings, jogger pants, and polo. For people who love travel light, this group will be the best choice with 2-in-1. It's called reversible. We have varying styles from t-shirt, tank top, dress, shorts, or leggings. We can make either 1 layer or 2 layers in one piece with special stitching so that the wearer can use it inside out. There are different options for reversible, such as one side with prints, the other side solid, or one side with narrow straps and the other side with wider straps, just in one piece, 1 layer. And now is for your reference about our capability of embellishments. For sparkling, we have rhinestone, rhinestone. For embroidery, we can make from normal thread and metallic thread. For print, we can make many different qualities such as rubber, plastisol, water-based, discharge, foil, sublimation, or digital print. The next products are about straps and crinkle fabric. For straps, we can make both feeder and engineer repeat for different structures such as reef, single jersey, Frenchery, Ponte, or Hachi. Each strap design can be from 2 to 5 colors. About crinkle fabric, we usually make it with cotton on top and a little of dirty white polyester at the back to create a crinkle look. Crinkle fabric can be in solid or strap according to the customer's need. The last part for now is jacquard and quilt combination. Back into year 2014, we bought most of the jacquard fabric from China. But since 2015, we have succeeded making this fabric in Vietnam. We can create different designs from shapes of diamond to floral. This fabric is made of cotton spandex and viscose spandex with slightly coated inside, which is good for winter collection. It is suitable for plow, zip jacket, hoodies, biker, pants, skirts, or dresses. If you are interested in our products, please kindly contact us for more details. Thank you.